Wishing you a pleasant and prosperous day. Today I am here with a new lesson, that is respiration in organism. At the end of this class you will be recalling what is breathing and respiration and different types of respiration and breathing rate. Children, in chapter 2 you learn that all organisms are made of small microscopic unit called cell. Each cell performs certain functions such as nutrition, transportation, excretion, and reproduction. To perform these functions, the cells need energy. Even when we are eating, sleeping, or reading, we require energy. But where does this energy come from? We get this energy from the food which we eat. The food has stored energy. The stored energy of food is released slowly during the process of respiration. All the living organisms need to respire to get energy from food required for their survival. It is not only the human beings, all the other animals and plants also require energy for their survival. Now we are going to talk about breathing. It is a common term for all of us. We breathe in, we breathe out, we perform yoga, pranayama, etc. Breathing means taking in air rich oxygen and giving out air rich carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organs. The taking in of air is known as inhalation and giving out of air is known as exhalation. Do you know what is breathing rate? Breathing rate is the number of times a person breathes in a minute is termed as breathing rate. The average breathing rate in an adult human being at rest is 15 to 18 times per minute. The breathing rate of a person increases with increased physical activity like exercise, running, and heavy weight lifting. Do you know how breathing related to respiration? Respiration is the process by which food is broken down in the cells of the body with the help of oxygen. Since the respiration takes place in the cells of the body, it is called cellular respiration. Here, the glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide, water, and it releases tremendous amount of energy. Children, shall we try to represent this process by means of an equation? Let's try. Glucose, in the presence of oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. When the breakdown of glucose occurs in the presence of oxygen, then it is known as aerobic respiration. Most of the living organisms carry out aerobic respiration. Human beings, all other animals like cow, buffalo, goat, birds, lizard, earthworm, fish, all these carry out aerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, more amount of energy is released because complete breakdown of glucose occurs during this. So, carbon dioxide and water produced during aerobic respiration. Now, let's see what is anaerobic respiration. The respiration which takes place without using oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. The microscopic organisms like yeast and certain bacteria obtain energy by anaerobic respiration. Yeast is a single-celled organism. It is used to make alcoholic drinks and bread. Yeast respire anaerobically during this process and convert glucose into alcohol. Anaerobic respiration in yeast also produces carbon dioxide. In bread making, the carbon dioxide produced by yeast makes the bread rise. In anaerobic respiration, only less amount of energy is produced because partial breakdown of glucose occurs in anaerobic respiration. in the absence of oxygen. Children, shall we try to represent the anaerobic respiration in an equation? Let's do. Glucose, in the absence of oxygen, it gives alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus less amount of energy. I hope anaerobic respiration in each cell is very clear to you. Now let's see how anaerobic respiration takes place in muscle cells. When we do a heavy physical exercise like running or cycling, our muscles need a lot of energy. To produce more energy, our muscles need more oxygen. But the supply of oxygen through blood is limited. Anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. Then lactic acid and little amount of energy is produced. After a heavy physical exercise, why do we feel muscle cramp? It is due to the accumulation of lactic acid in the muscle cells. Children, how can we get a relief from muscle cramp? Hot water bath or massage give relief from this. Hot water bath improves the circulation of blood in the muscles. Children, till now we were discussing about aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration, we have seen that anaerobic respiration in yeast cell and anaerobic respiration in muscle cells. Hope it is clear to you. Thank you children for listening me very patiently. Thank you so much.